Bye bye, Flat. Bye bye. Hello friends and followers! Yes, it's true, 2017 was a great year, but it was the last year of my old studio, and now, like you see in the background, I'm sitting here in a completely new studio in my new house. My studio is completely empty. This is the last day that I am here, and this is just some stuff that I wanted to show you before the real video starts, because I want to be part of the YouTube battle from DOKE, and this is what I want to show you today. I received a package from another really talented and really young writer. His name is HEKSR, and HEKSR chose me to win a canvas. There it is. Look, this is from HEKSR. Make some light here. Be careful. What a nice handwriting style. Oh, he did a complete SMOE Nova. Here's some stickers inside. Great. Wow. I don't really know how he did this background. Maybe he
Papa?
Yes.
HEKSR?
Thanks a lot, HEKSR, and he wrote in his letter that you can see the speed paint process video on the BLACKBOOKOLOGY YouTube channel. And I will link it down there or there, I don't know which side. Thanks a lot! As I know, I already... Okay. Yes, this is all from Christmas. Very proud. So now I'm so sorry to Mr. Peak, because Peak he has a YouTube channel too, and I will link it down there somewhere, and of course in the video description. And he has sent me this envelope some months before, but I just put a box over it, and suddenly it was forgotten. Thanks a lot for the nice letter. He put some gummy bears inside. Yeah. And here we have Think Night Crew stickers. This one here are made from Scare. This is my design. Simple but nice and easy to read. Yes. This is his tag, the Peak tag. This is still his icon, his YouTube icon. PEAK7. Yes, cool. And here, check out the link. Okay, I will put it all to the side here. Oh, the battery will get empty now. This is perfect, because now I will change to the last part of this video. I will paint the sketch. The sketch for the YouTube battle. And there I have a really good idea, and it will be very impressive. And I will play a little bit with 3D effects. Yes, the next time I will have this table. This table will stand there, and it will be all a little bit better. But I don't have the time, you know. Here, look here. This is the new post from bombingscience.com. And do you know who has chosen me as a winner? Yeah! Thank you, Doke. Thanks a lot. Oh my god, I didn't expect that. But of course, I've put a lot of effort in this sketch. But that I win! Really cool. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm really happy now. And now I have a lot of new markers. And with these markers, of course, I will paint new stuff. I just don't understand why people are always tagging me on their photos. Hello friends and followers. Yes, really cool, really cool, really cool. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. I hope that you were a little bit entertained, and I see you in the next project.